In this video, I'll show you how to connect your broker to MetaTrader step by step. If you are new to trading, this will help you get started quickly. So this is my broker here. As you can see, I'm using a broker called Grand Capital. So you need to make sure that you are verified in any broker that you're using so that you can be able to deposit and withdraw successfully. So you need to make sure that, as you can see here in my Grand Capital, after I logged in, you can see that you can open trading accounts. So in this video, I'm going to be making use of the mobile version of the MetaTrader so that you can easily place trades and on like mobile trades. Like if you are going out, you don't need to be on your computer always. So that's why I'm going to be using the mobile version, because most times people are always with their phones more than their laptops. And yeah, you get what I mean. So yeah, to open a trading account, all you just need to do is to open a trading account. So once you click on open a trading account, it's almost likely the same thing in all in most of the brokers. You can open a real trading account or open a demo. So let's use a real trading account, for example. So you can see there are different types of trading accounts. This all depends on the amount you want to trade. You can see this one for novice traders. This is like a small account, MT5, MetaTrader 5. So there are so many traders. There are so many types of accounts you want to. It also applies to in demo account. You can see there are options to that. So all you just need to do is to open an account. Let's try real standard. This one here. So once you see, you can see your leverage here. You can choose any leverage that you want for your account. So I'm going to leave it as this. Let me just put it as 1 to 1,000. Then you pick your currency. So these are the currencies available in the broker. So let's say I want to trade in euro, then I'll just click on create. You read the terms of and conditions, then click on create. So once you create it, you can see that I've been given password and account number. So and you can see the server name. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to my MetaTrader. This then I'll log in there. So I'll continue the recording on my phone, then I'll show you how I logged in there. All you need to do is to go to Play Store, then you search for MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 app, then you install it. Like it's very simple and straightforward. You can see I already have it installed on my phone. I have MetaTrader 5 also installed on my phone. So yeah, you can see this one needs update. So I'll just update it. So let me go right into it. Let me click on MetaTrader 4. Then once you go to the MetaTrader 4, you go to these three dots here. Then you see manage accounts. Then all you need to do is to manage accounts. Then you add this. You see this plus sign here at the top right of the screen. You click on it. Then you click log into an existing account. So you log in with the broker account number and password. So you click on login to existing account. So you can see the name of the server there. They are going to give you the name of the server. So the name of the server for mine is Grand Capital Real. So I'm going to click on the name of the server. Then I'll now put my login details, the number that was given to me and the password. So let me put the number in. I might blur some of these things just but so you know how to do it. The password is kind of complicated. So mhm, try and fast forward this part. So after you've put the account number and password given to you, then you just sign in. You can actually like click here. You can see now I'm already signed in. You can see this is my balance 00. You can this is the same thing you can do for a demo account too. I'm just showing you on real accounts. You can now deposit and trade. Then if you want to open trades, you click on this, then you click on new order, Like I've shown you in some of my videos how to open trade. Then you click on your lot size, stuff like that. Adjust it how you want, then take profit. Then you can go buy yourself. But based on my account is insufficient, I'm just showing you as an example now. You can see if you click on it, it won't go. So just showing you how it works. So this video helped you. Do well to like, subscribe, and share. And see you in the next one. Bye.